Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Duties Behind the Camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. We are making crispy pan-fried chicken today. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe because it really does help the channel. I've been seeing a lot of videos where the chicken is being pan-fried in a cold pan to start without oil. Now this concept rings true to me because that's how I would do duck breasts, but I've never done it with chicken before. So today it's an experiment. We're gonna see if this works. I have 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I'm going to take off the bone because with the bone, the cooking time will take longer. Without the bone, well, it cooks faster. So I'm just going to remove the bone and then I'm gonna use them for soups or for broth. Just on one side of the bone, just kind of slice through, not all the way through, and then on the other side, and then we'll just slice it off from underneath. Super easy. It's okay to leave some meat on the bone because if I'm using it for broth, we do want some of that meat for flavor. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but there you go. So here are the bones that I'm gonna freeze for future broth. And I removed some of the extra fat from the chicken as well. And I'm just gonna season the skin side with a little bit of salt. And I'm just using Himalayan salt today. I ran out of kosher salt, so it doesn't matter. Just use whatever salt you have and just season the top of the skin. And we're gonna put it down on a paper towel and that will absorb most of the moisture from the skin to make it really crispy. All right, now we're just gonna put the chicken in the pan, cold, skin side down. Okay, we're gonna season this side as well. I guess I could have turned my pan on. Let's do that. Okay, we're gonna set it to a medium low. Because we want the chicken fat to render and to be golden brown on the bottom without burning too quickly. Otherwise, the fat won't completely render out. So we don't want that.
You know what the biggest challenge is, Flo?
What's that, dude?
Your patience.
I lack patience. All right, I'm gonna season with a little bit of ground white pepper as well. So that pinch of white pepper went all the way around. All right, it's starting to sizzle. And really, this is the hardest part for me, is being patient and not touching it. I also want to just garnish it with some green onion, so I'm going to slice this up. And if you don't like green onion, you don't even have to use green onion. Like I said, I'm just using it for a little bit of freshness. You can use cilantro instead if you like, but I know not everyone likes cilantro. And if you don't want green onions, you don't have to do that either. All right, I think this is too high, so I'm gonna turn down the heat a little bit. I'm also using 3 cloves of garlic today. With this chicken, you can basically make any sauce you want, but I'm gonna make a honey garlic soy. Just gonna crush the garlic. I need to take this off. I'm just gonna roughly chop this into smaller chunks. All right, look at the fat that's coming out, and it's already non-stick. And you can look at it, starting to brown. And then there's not much splatter as well, which is great. I hate frying, even shallow frying at home. I get oil everywhere. So this is looking like the way to cook chicken to me. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. I think I'm gonna flip it now. Ooh, look at that. crispy skin. So there's a little bit of splatter now, but there's zero smoke, and there's much less splatter than I would normally get from frying chicken. All right, I'm just gonna check the temperature. Just cook through. These ones are perfect. I think these smaller ones for sure are done. And let's check this big one. Oh, it is done. Surprise, surprise. All right, I'm gonna remove some of the fat from the pan. Right, then we have all these golden bits that we're going to keep in our sauce. I'm gonna toss in my garlic. I'm still on a medium-low heat. I just want to fry up that garlic a little bit. Right, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Scrape up the bottom of the bits. I can smell that garlic smells so good. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is light soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce is going to add some color. And about 3 tablespoons of honey. Let's heat this through. I'm just going to let this sauce reduce by about half. Okay, and then we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter. And that will, I'm going to turn off the heat now actually. And that will just make it glossy and shiny. It costs about $1.10 per thigh. I don't know if that's expensive or not. Chicken is expensive in Canada, but to me, $1 per thigh is not that bad. So this whole dish was less than $5. All right, gonna spoon this to the chicken. Garnish with the green onions. My goodness, does that look good or what, guys? Are you all ready for the taste? Surprise, you get me today because dude is sick, but I'm still thankful that he is still filming, so that's good. I am new at this, so let's take this small piece of chicken right here and just look at it. It's so crispy, looks awesome. It's juicy on the inside. Take a bite. I'm going to dip it in the sauce. This might be my new go-to way of making chicken. Oh, it's so good. Yummy. Let's check out the skin. I think I can like lift it off and show you how thin it is. It's like fried chicken without frying. And look at that, look at how thin that is, because all the fat has rendered out. Oh, it's crispy. Oh, so good. The sauce is perfectly seasoned, perfectly sweet and sour. Not sour, and salty at the same time. Not sour, I didn't add anything sour to it. but it is delicious. You guys have to try this. If you don't like honey garlic soy, you can make your own sauce, whatever you like. Even like, ooh, you know what would be good? Like a buffalo hot wings type of sauce. That would be delicious. That's all I got to say. We're gonna serve this with plain white rice and some Chinese veg. You can check out those recipes and this one on my blog, FLO'S.com.